We're here this morning at Cyhoeddi Road in Rhyl, as Cyhoeddi Road is one of the major road schemes that Denbighshire County Council intend to do this year, with the thanks of the Welsh Government funding for us to deliver better road structure throughout Denbighshire. This work throughout Denbighshire will be spread over a 2-year period, helped by this 5 million funding from the Welsh Government for us to really make a difference to the roads in Denbighshire County Council. We're really grateful to the Welsh Government for this extra funding due to the financial restraints that all councils find themselves in, and this will really enable us not just to do the usual work that we do year on year to keep our roads as best we can. This will enable us to go a lot farther, both in the north and the south of the county. We'll be targeting this funding on improving the services of roads that we know are desperately in need of care, and bring them to the standards that our residents expect over this next 2 years. A number of roads have been earmarked for this funding. We stood at one here today, Cyhoeddi Road here in Rhyl, and this funding will go a long way for our aspirations to bring the road network in Denbighshire back to where it should be. We have a number of roads that we're going to be targeting, major roads, here at Cyhoeddi Road in Rhyl, the Nanty-Garth Pass and the Abergele Straits. There'll also be other roads throughout the county that we'll be dealing with, as far down as Llangollen, and we hope to keep residents and County Council members updated when these roads are going to be started. And what I'd like to do is thank residents beforehand for your patience. Some of these roads will have to be closed, but if we want to get the road network to where we want it to be, this will have to happen.